Once you come in, you won't want to leave. See the pride of ownership in this well-maintained home. Split floor plan offers just the right amount of separation between the primary bedroom and the secondary bedrooms. Home is move-in ready with granite countertops, 1-year-old roof and recent AC and heater replaced. Enjoy time indoors and outdoors in this spacious home on a large lot nestled in a cul-de-sac. Located in the Newport Subdivision, a master-plan community with lots of great amenities. Community pool, tennis courts, gym, private lake and river access, parks, walking trails, splash pad, 18-hole golf course, pro shop and Stonebridge Country Club.